Okay, so I found a pretty nice way to get LM Studio and run LLM models on your cell phone anywhere. So with LM Studio, basically just download your model, load it. You got the reachable address here, obviously. Those of you who have seen this before, obviously you also have to enable the developer options and run your server. And then of course I have the Raspberry Pi, the new 5 with 16 gigabytes of memory. Even though I'm not really using all that much of it, it's pretty sweet. So from here, what we're gonna do, gonna open up the Open WebUI. You can get that installed. I can try to put a link out there for you. Not a huge problem. Pretty simple if you follow the right directions. But all I did was plug in the LM Studio IP address to the Open API connections under settings here. Not half bad. And then here comes the fun part. My weapon of choice here is ngrok. Pretty sweet. All you gotta do is go to the ngrok website on my Raspberry Pi anyway, since it's already Linux. Just copy and paste the code here to install it. And at that point, pretty straightforward. Next thing you do is deploy your app online. So just copy and paste that code too. Not half bad. Yeah, instead of localhost 8080, it's localhost 3000 to get the Open WebUI connected. And then you would get this magic in the terminal. It'll go ahead and create that URL for you, the BD5B. Type that in your cell phone, tablet, whatever you want to use. Doesn't have to be connected to the local network is the beauty of this. And we should get it running here in a second. And then all I had to do was type in that URL into my cell phone browser. I might be on Wi-Fi at the moment, but the beauty of it is you don't have to be. And then as you can see, we have the model loaded all the way over from our LM Studio in the cell phone. So all I gotta do is type something in, upload, and it's gonna go ahead and render the text for me. Very nice. And all of that, once again, through LM Studio to the Raspberry Pi, but it's running off my graphics card. It's a beautiful thing.